49ers mourn the sudden death of former All-Pro linebacker Aldon Smith at 36. Aldon Smith, the troubled but talented pass rusher whose promising career was derailed by legal problems, has died at age 36. The San Francisco 49ers announced Smith's death on Saturday night. The team did not disclose a cause of death. "We are devastated by the sudden and tragic passing of Aldon Smith," the 49ers said in a statement.
Flies and gnats invading your kitchen? Plug in the Zevo Flying Insect Trap to attract and catch flying pests with blue and UV light day and night. Want to check today's Amazon deal? Scan the QR code now or visit grabdeal.us/1 before it's gone.
Aldon's undeniable talent and sheer dominance on the field were on display from the moment he joined our organization, having recorded one of the best rookie seasons the National Football League has seen. Beyond his excellence as a player, Aldon will be remembered for his infectious smile that lit up every room he walked into. Smith was drafted by the 49ers with the 11th overall pick out of Missouri in 2011 and made an immediate impact on the team, helping San Francisco snap a playoff drought and reach the NFC title game his first 3 seasons with one trip to a Super Bowl. He had 14 sacks as a rookie when he finished second to Von Miller in voting for the AP Defensive Rookie of the Year, and had a franchise record 19 1-2 sacks in 2012 when he was named a first-team All-Pro. His 33 1-2 sacks in his first 2 seasons are the most in NFL history. He kept that pace up with 4 1-2 sacks in the first 3 games in 2013 before the off-field issues started with an arrest for DUI and a stint in rehab for substance abuse that sidelined him for 5 games. He was also arrested on a weapons charge that season but returned to the field. "I'm getting there," he said after his stint in 2013 on the non-football injury list. "Every day's just a step closer to getting to where I want to be. I've gotten a lot of support from my family, friends, organization, teammates, and everything. And it really says a lot that people care about me outside the field and they care about me as a person." Smith had 3 1-2 sacks in the playoffs that season but was suspended for the first 9 games in 2014 and never made it back to his early level of performance because of suspensions and injuries. San Francisco then released him in August 2015 after another drunken driving charge, his 5th arrest in 3 years. He signed with Oakland just before the start of the 2015 season and had 3 1-2 sacks in 9 games before being suspended again. Aldon proudly wore the silver and black, was respected by his teammates, and will be missed dearly, the Raiders said in a statement. Smith applied for reinstatement to the NFL in 2016, but was not allowed back initially. The Raiders released him in 2018 following a domestic violence arrest. A plea agreement was reached in that case. He eventually was reinstated in 2020 and played 16 games for Dallas that season and had 5 sacks. He signed with Seattle the next season but was arrested again for battery and was released in training camp. He served a 6-month jail sentence for DUI in 2023 and never played again in the NFL. Smith finished his career with 52 1-2 sacks in 75 games. In college, he was a first-team All-Big 12 selection and the recipient of Missouri's Defensive Lineman of the Year award in 2010.